In this video, we will show you how to replace the tamper base of your PUQ press. You need to order a tamper base. You can only replace the tamper base within the suitable upper clamp range. Please check the diagram showed on the screen. The tools you need during the following instruction are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a brush, and a dry cloth. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Clean the thread and cavity of the upper clamp with a brush or cloth. Fasten the new ordered tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Press the Set button once. The tamper base goes back up. Let's tamp.